Hey, what's happening guys, this is VG and today we are going to make a gun for our player, and also we are going to make some upgrades in this player. So we are going to change some or add some controls in this, some multiple controls, so like WSDA for they work same like in these arrows. So let's do it. So first take a R, then duplicate this, put it inside this key pressed, then put this one block also inside this, and then this is right, so we have to do this D. Same with others also. Remove this. I'm going to duplicate this, put it inside here like this, and if it is left, so A. Same with this one also. For up it is W. And for down it is S. So let's test it. Yes, that's working. Okay, so now we are going to make a gun for our player. So just go to our player's costume, just a little bit zoom it. Okay, so we want this to fill with a rectangle, then here a rectangle, here a square, and that's a gun. Okay, so let's click on this, make it gray, and then click on here, and then just make a rectangle like this. And then again make a square here like this, just make it a little bit bigger. Okay, that's okay. Now next another rectangle, and that should be now red here like this. Now a brown color square here, just move it a little bit up. Okay, now another rectangle gray over here, then a red rectangle over here, then a gray rectangle in its point or over its point here, then again one more rectangle which should be red here. Okay, so and now we want the gun separate from the player, means I will tell afterwards why we want that. So first, and also delete this one, then duplicate this, zoom it up, set its middle point to its nose, wait, flip it up, set its middle point to its nose like this. Okay, now we have to make the gun separate from this sprite. Just duplicate this one, and then delete, then delete this again, then delete this also, then here we have to delete these things, means the cat. Now name it like a gun, like this, gun. Okay, now let's go to its scripts, delete everything from here including this space, and now first it will go to the cat. First it will go to the cat, means the player, and then it will set its size to 120. Then it will point in the direction, take this block, exposition change it to direction of player, then switch to costume 1, this costume which is right now here. Okay, then take a forever, then I will duplicate this and just move some of the blocks, put it here and remove this one. Okay, then up, and there we go. Now same to same, like for the player, these things, I mean the this one and this one we have to copy, means same things are with the guns also, some of them. So like this. Okay, here it is. Now put it here, means if direction is smaller than 0 it will switch to costume 1. This will make this sprite unflipped, means not upside down. Okay, so now let's test it. Space clicked. Now yes, that's working. So in this tutorial we have made a gun for this player, and we have updated some of the things in this player. Momentum, means controls. Thank you.